Would you please tell us your name and where you live?
My name is Melissa and I live in East Brunswick.
What problems were you trying to fix?
We were redoing our laundry room and half bath and needed our tile floor to be installed in the laundry room as well as in the half bath. And then once Donnie came and did that work, we were really pleased with how well that all went. So then we contracted him to do some additional work in our house. He installed tile flooring like right in front of our fireplace, and he had finished some other work that a contractor that we had hired previously did not finish.
What made you call us initially?
My husband was searching for a tile contractor specifically, and he found Donnie, and there were so many good reviews, and he was located close to where we live, so he was local, and we decided to try him out.
Why did you trust us with your project?
Once I met Donnie and he came to give me a quote on what the project would cost, and just in my communications with him prior to him coming out for the quote, he seemed very professional, very down to earth. He seemed very well educated and knowledgeable about what he was going to do, and I really liked those things, so that allowed me to trust him with our projects.
What was the experience like working with us?
Working with Donnie was like a breath of fresh air. We had worked with a contractor previously that was a nightmare. Donnie was very professional. He was the exact opposite of that previous contractor. He showed up on time. He worked a full day. He didn't play any games. He was very knowledgeable. He kept us in the loop on every single thing. The time that he estimated for our project, he completed it within that timeline. He was absolutely fantastic, like a great contractor.
Did anything unexpected happen during the project?
There was nothing unexpected that happened, but I would say that's because Donnie prepped us for things that might happen when he came to give us the quote. So when some of the things that he thought might happen happened, they really weren't unexpected because he had prepped us for that.
How does us fixing your problem affect your day-to-day?
It just makes my house more beautiful. The work that he did was fantastic. He's got a very good eye, and pays close attention to the details of things. So all the work that he did is incredibly pristine, and I enjoy looking at that and being in those rooms every single day.
What would have happened if you didn't hire us?
Well, I didn't hire Donnie initially, and we ended up with a contractor that was an absolute nightmare, that installed tile wrong, and we ended up needing Donnie to redo a lot of those things. So I'm glad that I found him to fix those things the second time around.